Have you ever considered starting your own cleaning company? I can tell you that the only regret that I have about starting my cleaning company is that I waited so long to do it. I waited until I was miserable at my job. I waited until my wife and I were both unemployed. I waited until my daughter was at home and we couldn't afford to buy her nice things. Thankfully, today we are in a pretty good spot. We have about $1 million a year that we bring in. We have 40 employees that work for us, and we're able to do things like take my daughter to Disney World for her birthday. But all those things wouldn't have happened if I wouldn't have jumped out to take that plunge 5 years ago, March 2015 or so. So the question is, what's actually holding you up? What's taking you so long to do it? The good thing is, though, I created a course that will help you get everything up and going. It's called How to Economically Build a $1 million Janitorial Company that runs itself. So you can pretty much follow all of these steps and processes and templates that we've given you in this course, and you can make millions of dollars every year while you sleep. That's exactly what we're doing now. So what are you waiting on? Jump right into it. Go ahead and click on the screen and we can get started. Looking forward to working with you.